About garage door, you don't need grease on the wheels, because the more you put grease on the wheels, the more the garage door will be a little bit heavy, especially the wheels supposed to be very clean and neat. You can see this one, there's grease on it. You see, there's grease on it, so you don't need to put grease on your garage door. Please stay away from grease on your garage door. Right now the motor has been installed, now it's back on track. You see, like I said the other day on my installation, so after you finish setting up the motor, mount it up, don't forget to go to the screen, make your settings and all that to make it easier for you. Yeah, disable, done.